Okay, so as you all know that we are going to have a live on feminism with a professional psychologist, Rekha Chauhan, and she is there, and I'll join her. Wait for her to join. Accept the request.
Hi,
Hello, Namaskaram, Rekha. How are you?
I'm very good, very well.
Okay, so I think this was the many people were waiting for this topic very eagerly, feminism, because there are many writers in our group. Mostly there are writers in our group, and they keep writing on feminism. Okay, so Rekha, first of all, before we start the session, can you please introduce yourself? What's your background and what's your qualification and all? Though I have given the details, still.
Uh, I've done my psychology post graduation,
Okay.
but basically,
Hmm.
to be real, I just completed my study.
Hmm.
I completed my study, but not really practicing it. But I
Okay.
have some views, good views, which I can
Okay.
share.
Okay. So we can say that I can say that we will now look at feminism from psychologist
I'm
point
not
of view. Okay, no
so
problem. That's
I'm
not an issue.
patient.
No, that's not
Yeah.
an issue. That's not an issue. Okay. So I can say that we will look at feminism and patriarchy also in a psychologist point of view. Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so we will start with because I see your posts regularly, and I have seen most of your posts are based on feminism, real feminism actually. Okay,
Yeah.
so my first question would be, how would you define feminism? Like, if someone asks you that what is feminism, what would be your answer?
See, the feminism for me would be, it's not like some phenomenon. It's not some
Okay,
any new phenomena,
okay,
right?
hmm.
It's a very basic thing which
Hmm.
is females strive for the fair share of equality as an
Hmm.
individual. Alright?
Hmm.
Feminism is not some revolution. Everyone
Okay,
fights for their fair justice, fair treatment, right?
yeah, of course.
Basically, women has been the victim of the aggression, hate,
Hmm.
misogynism, right? So why
Yeah,
not? Feminism is about, for the one word to be feminine, being a female, right?
hmm.
And be there for the female, like treating them right way, can be the feminism, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
so
not something
yeah, so
where to
hmm.
do something this, that, that. No,
Hmm.
it's very, very simple.
Hmm.
Nothing to make anything complication about out of this. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, so basically we can say that feminism is similar to equality, right? We can say this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So
not
if
about fighting, hating, killing.
hmm,
Men do, right? War, killing, murder, slaughtering. No, this is not about that.
okay,
We would never
okay,
do that. Right, to men?
okay. So if बहुत सारे लोग ये सवाल पूछते हैं कि if feminism is equal to equality, then why this feminism this word has feminine in this? Okay, feminine. The feminism word has feminine in it. So why not equalism? Why feminism? Many people ask this question. So what would be your answer?
See, the basic word is a female, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Mm. Feminine, we all know what word by word feminine things,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. Hmm.
And being in a group about
Hmm.
that, being vocal for something for that. So the ism is get added, right? In many
Yeah.
things, ism, right? Being there for this
Generally.
particular group, so that is ism, right? So
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
use that ism, right?
Hmm.
Feminism. So the way make the word feminism.
Hmm. Okay, so basically it's like you want to say that like the boys or the masculine gender, they have got what they wanted, what they should have got, but the females haven't got it. So like if for it's for
The
females
feminine,
because they
like there
haven't got.
was a
Yeah.
theme,
Hmm.
right? Feminine,
Yeah.
masculine. What is
Hmm.
feminine? What is masculine? You say like what boys will do will become masculine, right? And the girl will do will feminine, right? So they accuse things like they're feminist. See this feminine.
Hmm.
See about the being a feminism, right? It is nothing to like get threatened about.
Hmm.
Like don't get intimidated to it.
Hmm.
Be give us the fair justice of the equal share of that communication. Have communication and know what feminism is. All right.
Yeah.
Knowing things, one can only get the solution about the things. It's not to
Hmm.
like a fight. It's not
Hmm.
about to fight. Okay. So if
Yeah.
you're fighting,
Hmm.
then we are going nowhere. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you can, sorry, I interrupted. Tell me.
Yeah. No. No. Go on. Carry on, please.
Yeah. No, you can.
No, that's what I was saying that like you were saying about basic rights. So yeah, it's very basic that we don't have to fight. Like I am thirsty, I want to drink water. I don't have to go and fight to drink water. Okay, it's as basic as that. You are getting this right to work in an office or maybe in a workshop. I used to work in a workshop level. Okay, so there were no only one girl was there in my workshop level. So whenever this topic comes that we should give rights to workshop to women in workshop level also, either people used to laugh, they used to make fun of it, or they were just ignorant. Yeah, what I was saying here, it was like that. Okay, so this is a very basic thing. I don't know why people don't understand. Okay, you told that you are not a practicing psychologist, but still I would like to know from you that why this what kind मतलब क्या क्या मानसिकता ऐसा क्यों आता है कि this mentality from how does it come कि we are not able to understand such a basic thing.
Sorry, your voice was interrupted. What you saying? What were you?
Okay, so I said that what is that from a psychologist's point of view. I know that you're not a practicing psychologist, you said, but still, according to you, what kind of mentality is that? Like we are not able to understand such a basic thing that people should get equal rights irrespective of their gender.
What is the basic thing?
Yeah,
See,
so we are not able
it
to.
is.
Yeah, we are not able to get that basic thing. Why? Why is it so?
See, there are many lying reasons.
Hmm.
If we are ready to counter them, get in upfront with them, right? Then only we'll be able to know. But the thing is that nobody is ready for that. Nobody is willing to know things, right? People,
Yeah.
the curiosity of the quest about the things to stop by and have a questioning to them their thought process about what is this, right?
Exactly.
What are the
Yeah.
things?
Yeah.
Okay, what has been and what is going on? See, it starts from maybe some psychologically only, I would say, right? So the biological thing is that men hormones, right? They have aggression, okay, and their hormones, right? They're more aggressive. In physically, they do feel the have a power to overpower, right? Think to like what humans do is that they underestimate other humans, think other as a dumb, right? So obviously it is the same thing which men do to women, right? Like they are dumb, they are not so like physically, we can easily overpower them, we can push them, right? So this is the thing goes on. Apart from this, that social gender responsibility which assigns society, which expects society with the male and female, which parents assign to them, like better you should do this, play with this thing, like some household ghar ghar khelo, and with the doll, make your doll prettier, get them dressed. Or boys will be obviously if they go out, right? They will do outdoor fun, outdoor play, right? But basically from childhood, girls are forbidden, right? About नहीं डर है, ये है, घर में ही रहो, right? घर में रहना है. Like you're infusing a fear in the minds of girls, and the mentality, the same mentality that the girls should be supposed to be at home, right? So their place is at home, right? Apart from this, so there will be a gender identity, and there will be a self identity, right? So this thing comes then later in picture. Gender identity will be that when a male is born, when a female is born, they're born equally, right? Out of a womb of a woman, right? Everything what goes in a male or female, right? There is just a XY factor
XY factor,
which decide their gender, their sex. So as they grow, right? About the hormone, what are the hormones of a child, you see, right? अब चाइल्ड का क्या हार्मोन है, जब वो ग्रो होते हैं तभी वो बढ़ते, राइट? तो बेसिकली इनेटली जब मेल होते हैं बच्चे अंडर एज, दे आर ऑल्सो कम आउट ऑफ फेमिनिन. उनका कोई आइडेंटिटी कि हाँ वो मैस्क्यूलिन है, वाओ दे मैस्क्यूलिन, दे दिस, नो. जब वो बच्चे होते तो वो आइडेंटिफाई विद, वो किससे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? मदर से ना.
Of course.
Male also they look up to their mother for everything, to take care and everything. Mother is something like a hero for them and everything, amazing, right? As they grow, so typical mindset of the society, so they adapt to them, right? I'm talking about the male part, right? Like father is going to work, तो वहाँ पर जो है उनकी जो आइडेंटिटी वो वहाँ से बन जाती है. ओके, सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी कि हाँ हमें ये करना है. जेंडर आइडेंटिटी जब वो होता है तो उनकी लॉस हो जाती है जैसे वो बढ़ जाते हैं. लेकिन एक फीमेल की आइडेंटिटी कहीं गुम ही हो जाती है. जेंडर आइडेंटिटी उसकी रहती है क्या, फीमेल, लाइक, बट जब वो बढ़ती है तो उनका जो सोशल रोल क्या होता है, which is not normal, which society have assigned to them. So so the psychological factor तो ये हो जाता है आपका gender identity and social identity, right? तो इससे वो complication बढ़ते रहते हैं. तो उनके क्या identity है? So जो women जो are depressed, we see, right, in current society, so it's all the result of all these things. Okay, so we have to stop, think, and reassign this thing. Okay, we have to ponder this thing and go on if you want to have a healthy life, right? A healthy social mindset thing, biases, whatever the people do are not healthy. I can surely say that, right? So if a society wants this peace, so they must have to start thinking now.
Okay.
Right? Because there's no such society who can repress women in progress. There's no such. It is bound to destroy, self-destruction. It is. So this is my view. So these are the basic things. जो क्योंकि उसमें
Yeah.
कई सारे कॉम्प्लिकेशन होते हैं.
सो बेसिकली आपसे आप ये कह रही है कि मतलब कि जो मेंटालिटी है लाइक मेल एंड फीमेल इज बॉर्न बोथ आर बॉर्न फ्रॉम द वूम ऑफ अ मदर है ना, दोनों को ही माँ ही जन्म देती है, लेकिन क्या है सोसाइटी का थिंकिंग उनको ये है, जैसे आपने फिजिकल पावर के बारे में बोला, तो बचपन से ये आगे चल के हम हार्मोन्स को ये दोष दे देते हैं कि एस्ट्रोजन और वो टेस्टोस्टेरोन को दोष दे देते हैं. बट अब देखिए ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि मान लीजिए अगर कोई लड़का पावर लिफ्टिंग करना चाहता है और लड़की पावर लिफ्टिंग करना चाहती है तो
वो
हम
भी
ये बोलेंगे
करती है.
अरे ये बिल्कुल करती है, बिल्कुल करती है, तो हम ये तो नहीं बोलेंगे कि लड़की जो है, हाँ लड़के को ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत नहीं है, लड़की को ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत है. अगर पावर लड़का पावर लेके पैदा होता तो फिर तो उसको ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत नहीं होती, सिर्फ लड़की को ही होती, बट दोनों को
या दोनों को होते हैं, ट्रेनिंग दोनों को होती है.
या दैट्स द थिंग, दैट ये बेसिक थिंग जो है हमारे दिमाग में बचपन से डाल दी जाती है कि हाँ ये लड़कों के लिए लड़की के लिए. दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक
या
कि या जो है आगे चल के खुद को भी जो है वो कमजोर समझने लगती है, ये आई एम फिजिकली वीकर देन या. तो यहाँ पे जब व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट फेमिनिज्म ये एक और टॉपिक आ जाता है, हालांकि उस टॉपिक पे नहीं है बट वो टॉपिक है पेट्रियार्की का. ओके सो पेट्रियार्की हमें पता है कि पेट्रियार्की हैज हार्म्ड women how much, okay we all know, okay but okay okay so do you think that patriarchy has harmed men also, like men commit people tell me that men commit more suicide than women. I what I think is that men इसलिए ज्यादा सुसाइड करते हैं, women नहीं करते हैं, कम करते हैं, इसलिए क्योंकि generations after generations women have learned how to deal with depression, क्योंकि उनको इतना हम लोग डिप्रेशन मतलब डाल दिया है कि जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन उन्होंने सीख लिया है कि कैसे हैंडल. मर्दों को ये चीज नहीं आता है. What are your views on this?
About the suicide, yeah? Give me a
Yeah.
minute.
Okay.
See, suicide is just another topic.
Yeah, it's
Yeah?
another topic, but
Because it may be not because of patriarchy people, because कई सारे social pressure होते हैं, एक mentality होती है जो tolerate कर सकती है, नहीं भी कर सकती है. It may be some their emotional, the pressing which is going on, the turmoil which is going on, the things which they are not able to handle anymore, emotional strains, many things are involved. So I can't say it is because of patriarchy. Like for example, किसान जो आत्महत्या करते हैं वो क्यों करते हैं? क्यों? क्योंकि मनी इश्यू, कई सारे इश्यू होते हैं. Women do suicide. I think I have seen, मैंने तो अपनी लाइफ में अभी देखा कि जो भी है, जो बहुएं जो होती है, बेटियां जो होती है, वह सुसाइड, बहुएं जो जल जाती है, मर जाती है. अभी रिसेंटली मैंने कई बार देखा जो कि फीमेल्स, मेरे ख्याल से आई डोंट नो अबाउट व्हाट रेशियो इज योर्स समटाइम, बट फीमेल्स कर रही है बिकॉज ऑफ द सोशल, लाइक उनकी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं बचा, कुछ नहीं रखा है. दे आर ऑल लॉस्ट इमोशनल, द ट्रॉमा के लाइक एक इंसान जब हार जाता है कि दे नो इफ दे आर नॉट इवन हैप्पी what they're being for their family, but still they're not getting the at least the love, right? So they do suicide, right? So the females, so they are more prone to that because, as I already mentioned, they are suffering from depression for all the situations, right? Because of no identity, no self identity, no social identity. So yeah, I have seen many are depressed. So this can be the depression issue, many issues. So the patriarchy, what you're talking about, is can't be like a thing that we should hate, but it is going on. Men fight, right? They have made a social, like their space. They are all into, like they have occupied the social space, right? So yeah. So it has been going on since the past many decades, many ages, many years, right? So it has been going on. But अभी जो है society change हुई है, राइट। अभी मॉडर्निटी आई है, तो मॉडर्निटी में जो है कि कई सारे जो लोगों के काम करने के तरीके बदल चुके हैं, वे ऑफ अर्निंग बदल चुकी है। तो अभी भी अगर हम पैट्रियार्की है तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ इररिलेवेंट, क्योंकि इट्स कमिंग टू अर्निंग, वुमेन कैन अर्न वेल, डू वेल, राइट, रन द हाउसहोल्ड, एवरीथिंग। So that is about the past, the patriarchy भी, लेकिन अभी जो the patriarchy के कारण, yeah, it's not a good thing. So yeah, they can suffer both. Men can suffer too.
Yeah. Yeah, men do suffer, I think.
क्योंकि कई सारे जो चीजें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, कॉम्प्लिकेशन जो होती है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि everyone is looking for their right. Yeah.
Yeah. Why I said this, because patriarchy affects men also. Why I said this, because few days ago only I realized it, है ना। ये 1 जनवरी 2021, मतलब कि कुछ दिन पहले ही, 20-25 दिन पहले, it's I lost my elder brother. Okay, he was very close to me, and I wanted to cry my heart out, but I didn't know how to cry. Then that was the time when I realized that no one taught me how to cry. Why? Because whenever in my childhood, I remember whenever I used to cry, my mother, my father, or anyone has told me, "Hey, लड़कियों की तरह मत रो, don't cry like a girl." That's all I used to hear. So I think that has made me like this, and I am not able to cry. Still, I want to cry sometimes, but I'm not able to cry. I think this is one of the things that patriarchy has done to me. Wrong things that patriarchy has done to me. I think it